Hi guys, I'm back again on my working desk, and let's say we have a lot of things over here. And say this one is my favorite. This is from their foundation, Switzerland. Here are a few of the postcards. So today, what if we have different types of postcards which are actually made into sketches. Let's try to say that what if I want to visit this place and I will dream about it, and let's say it can go on my wall.